Hey, what's going on, you guys? I'm Veggie Rolls. Welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these delicious vegan cream horns. And we're going to start off by making our buttercream. We're going to be using 3 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, and we're also going to be using 3 tablespoons of vegan butter. We're going to go ahead and whip this up in our stand mixer until it's nice and creamy. Then we're going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 4 tablespoons of soy milk. Whip that up until it's nice and creamy too. And next, what I'm doing here is just rolling out some pie crust. You can do store-bought pie crust. I'm using my own pie crust, which I'll link down below. And then I'm just gonna cut it into sort of like a rectangle shape, just so our pieces could be nice and even. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut little strips, about 1 inch or so strips. Doesn't have to be perfect. As you'll see, the last couple ones look a little wonky. So about 1 inch in thickness. And here I have a piece of aluminum foil, which is about 8 inches across. And we're going to go ahead and fold that in half. And then we're going to go ahead and roll it from one of the little corners. And we're going to keep rolling from that corner so that we can create like a little funnel cone shape. And that's going to be our mold for our cream horns. All right, so let's go ahead and start wrapping this up. We're going to go ahead and roll up each individual little section of our pie crust dough, and we're going to roll it onto our little cone, and we're just going to keep rolling and try to do it like as tight as you can, but not like super tight. You don't want to crush the actual mold. And then you're going to, with your hand, kind of make sure that it's stuck on there, press it together a little bit, and just continue to do this until you completed all of the little strips that you've cut out. And of course, you want equal amounts of molds. And then we're going to go ahead and lay this flat onto an aluminum or a cookie cutter. And then we're going to go ahead and bake this in a preheated oven, 425 degrees, for 15 minutes or to 20 minutes, or until it becomes nice and golden. But you don't want them to become brown because these will burn quickly, so just keep an eye on them. Alright, so here they are out of the oven. Just let them cool for about 5 minutes before you try to remove the molds from the inside. Just do it very carefully, squeeze it, and then pull it out so that you don't break the little cones, because they are pretty gentle. And then you're going to go ahead and squeeze in your buttercream, and it is going to be so delicious. You guys have no idea. So that is that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up, subscribed, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.